Welcome to Skylark Resort, a serene getaway nestled in the breathtaking hills of Panchgani and Mahabaleshwar. Spread across 1 acre of lush greenery, this resort offers a perfect blend of comfort and nature. Whether you're looking to unwind amidst the tranquil mountains, soak in the stunning river views, or simply escape the hustle and bustle of city life, Skylark Resort is your ideal destination. The resort boasts well-designed rooms, each offering a unique combination of comfort and privacy. Perfect for couples, families, or groups, these rooms ensure a cozy stay surrounded by the beauty of nature. And when it comes to dining, Skylark's on-site restaurant serves up delicious meals that cater to every taste. One of the standout features of the resort is its proximity to the iconic Pratapgad Fort. Imagine immersing yourself in history while staying just minutes away from one of Maharashtra's most legendary forts. But that's not all. Right here within the resort, you'll find Shivsrushti, a mesmerizing creation showcasing a model of a Maharashtra fort. This eye-catching spot not only highlights the region's rich heritage, but also provides a perfect backdrop for memorable photos. Skylark Resort is more than a stay. It's a serene escape. Wake up to the sound of birds, explore lush greenery, and feel the mountain breeze rejuvenate your soul. With stunning views, modern amenities, and a peaceful ambiance, it's the perfect getaway. Whether for a romantic retreat, a family vacation, or a weekend escape, Skylark Resort offers an experience you'll cherish forever.